Rooted in a legacy of more than 6 decades, St. Mary's Senior Secondary School Rampur stands as a proud symbol of educational excellence. With nurturing arms extended to every child, the school gracefully blends strong values, disciplined learning, and holistic development. Supported by a well-planned infrastructure, a caring environment, and a commitment to affordable education, it continues to shape generations of learners with purpose, responsibility, and care.
Dear viewers, it is with immense joy and pride that I invite you to relive the highlights of the academic year 2025 and 26. A year marked by enriching activities, spirited competitions, notable achievements, well-deserved recognitions, heartfelt appreciations, and joyful celebrations, bringing forth new enthusiasm, curious young minds, and a world of promising opportunities waiting to come alive.
With the new academic session commencing on April 4, we move ahead together, embracing challenges, discovering fresh ideas, and nurturing young aspirations. As this journey of growth and learning unfolded, school celebrations infused life and colors into our days, transforming education into a joyful and enriching experience. From vibrant cultural festivities to grand platforms showcasing students' talents, each moment reflected creativity, collaboration, and a strong sense of belonging.
The advent of the new academic session was graced by a radiant leadership investiture, a celebration of promise and purpose. 17 young students stepped forward to accept the mantle of responsibility, pledging to uphold the values of integrity, diligence, and excellence. The occasion resonated with pride and quiet confidence as teachers and parents envisioned a year guided by sincere hearts and enlightened leadership. Adding to the excitement, for the first time in school's history, the primary students also had their own investiture ceremony, where 10 little leaders embraced their new roles with enthusiasm and pride. The ceremony served as a reminder that leadership is not merely a title, but a commitment to serve with dedication and humility.
The month of May unfolded as a season of pride and celebration as the CBSE board declared the results for classes 10 and 12. Both the classes achieved a flawless 100% pass result, a testament to perseverance and guided efforts. Class 10 recorded an admirable highest score of 98.2%, while Class 12 scored even higher with a remarkable 99%. These stellar accomplishments echo the spirit of excellence nurtured within a beloved temple of learning.
The celebration of Labour's Day on May 1st was a touching expression of gratitude for the devoted helpers of our school. Their tireless efforts and quiet dedication were warmly acknowledged, reminding us that their hard work forms a strong foundation of our school's everyday life. July was adorned with joy and devotion as the school came together to celebrate the vibrant feast of Saint Anne in the loving presence of student grandparents. The occasion blossomed with graceful performances and moments steeped in respect and gratitude. Shared with warmth and reverence, Celebration became a heartfelt tribute to our beloved sisters and a cherished memory for all.
The month of August awakened a deep spirit of patriotism as the school marked Independence Day with heartfelt enthusiasm, inspiring words, colorful cultural expressions, and reverent tribute to our freedom fighters filled the day with emotion, unity, and deep love for the nation. The following month was graced by the gentle celebration of Teachers' Day as the school paused to honor the hands that guide, nurture, and inspire. Expressions of gratitude flowed through thoughtful gestures, creative presentations, and sincere tokens of appreciation, beautifully reflecting a deep respect and affection we hold for our devoted teachers. October arrived with festive cheer as the school marked the celebration of Dussehra and Diwali. The campus was filled with lights, laughter, and colorful decorations, creating a warm and happy atmosphere for everyone. Children's Day celebration on 14 November became a truly touching memory as teachers, along with our beloved sister principal, stepped onto the stage to bring smiles to young hearts. Their joyful and fun-filled performances, along with affectionate gestures, flooded the air with pure delight and happiness. In the last month of the year, the Christmas Day celebration transformed the entire school into a place of joy, warmth, and festive cheers, filled with a truly magical spirit. The corridors echoed with beautiful carols, while sparkling decoration and captivating performances filled every corner with wonder and delight. As we gathered to celebrate the birth of Jesus, we were reminded the true meaning of Christmas: love, peace, joy, and kindness. It was a celebration that united us all and left our hearts filled with gratitude and happiness. The following month, the Republic Day celebration filled the atmosphere with patriotic spirit and immense pride. The program included a grand flag hosting ceremony, an impressive march past, inspiring speeches, and cultural performances that beautifully showcased the values of unity, democracy, and love for the country. The passing out parade ceremony for Class 12 was an emotional and unforgettable milestone, marking the end of a cherished chapter in their school lives. The air was filled with gratitude, pride, and tender emotions as inspiring speeches reflected on their growth, journeys, and accomplishments. Smiles blended with tears as students prepared to step beyond the familiar corridors that had shaped their memories. It was not just a farewell, but a heartfelt send-off filled with blessings, dreams, and hope for the bright paths that lie ahead. Blessing Day, lovingly organized by Class 11 students for their seniors of Class 12, was a vibrant and deeply touching celebration. The school glowed with colorful decorations, meaningful messages, and sincere blessings that spoke straight from the heart. Their energetic moves and perfect performances added to the happiness of Class 12, filling the occasion with laughter mingled with quiet emotions. More than just an event, it was a beautiful expression of gratitude, respect, and the special bond shared between juniors and their seniors.
Throughout the year, our school celebrated important occasions like Ambedkar Jayanti, Mother's Day, Easter, Eid, Earth Day, Mother Mary's birthday, Gandhi Jayanti, and Guru Nanak Jayanti through special assemblies. The school also observed some joyful celebrations like Mango Day and Friendship Day, which added color and cheer to campus life. In addition, thought-provoking assemblies were conducted on such meaningful themes like life beyond lives, success, the journey of many hands, cyber awareness, protection, true happiness is priceless, and failure is the key to success. Students actively participated through speeches, songs, skits, and creative presentations, which highlighted the importance of these occasions and themes.
to instill in students a spirit of patriotism, responsibility, unity, and social awareness. Our school organized various government initiatives such as Poshan Pakhwara, Constitution Day celebration, traffic rules awareness program, tree plantation drive, Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan, Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, Viksit Bharat Buildathon, Anti-Plastic Awareness Program, the Tobacco Free Pledge, the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram, the National Unity Day, and the Voting Awareness Program. These initiatives strengthen their sense of civic duty.
Talking about the conduct of special events in school now. In the month of July, the students of Humanities stream from classes 11 and 12 organized a mock parliament, presented an impressive enactment of the question art of the Indian Parliament. The participants displayed a clear understanding of parliamentary procedures and political ideologies through their confident and well-coordinated performance. The event served as a meaningful platform to nurture leadership skills, critical thinking, and active civic awareness among the students. The young athletes of the school from classes 1st to 5th transformed the playground into a vibrant arena of excitement on Sports Day, celebrated in the present month of November. The celebration began with the ceremonial lighting of the torch by respected sister principal, followed by a disciplined march past led by the junior office bearers. With great enthusiasm and team spirit, the students participated in events such as hopping frog jump, bunny hop, sack sprint, tug of war, quick dress up challenge, balloon burst race, book balancing dash, and a terrifying 100-meter sprint, pick and drop relay. The day concluded with a prize distribution ceremony, where the winners were honored with proud smiles and applause.
In mid-December, the school hosted a distinguished alumni meet, a memorable homecoming for alumni from the batches of 1965 to 2000, filled with joy and gratitude. The program began with a prayer, followed by vibrant cultural performances, especially a meaningful dance drama that captivated the alumni and gently transported them back to their school days. Invited ex-students shared heartfelt reflections, adding grace and emotion to the occasion. Senior alumni and retired teachers were honored with mementos as a token of appreciation. The celebration concluded with fellowship and dinner, rekindling cherished memories and reaffirming the spirit. Once a Marian, always a Marian.
Adding to these memorable moments, the school continued to organize various student-centric activities. To channelize the creativity of students, a vibrant summer camp was organized for the students of class 3rd to 5th. This camp offered a wide range of activities, including yoga, dance, skating, cooking without fire, mehendi, calligraphy, and indoor games, allowing students to explore their creativity and learn new skills in a joyful environment. This camp concluded with a grand closing ceremony where students were awarded with certificates and a mug bearing their photographs, which made this event even more special and memorable. And as a recreational activity for students of middle section and senior section, they watched a movie screening on a big projector in school auditorium. The students of class 6 to 8 watched Maidan, while the students of class 9 to 12 watched 12th Fail. These movies left a lasting impression on students and sparked thoughtful discussions.
Further, an on-screen metaverse demonstration for classes 3rd to 8th introduced students to an immersive virtual world experience where they explored themes such as wildlife, secrets of the universe, volcanic eruption, planets in space, climate change, and a variety of flora and fauna, making learning both engaging and futuristic. In addition, students had the wonderful opportunity to enjoy educational trips and excursions during the month of October and November. Classes 1 to 5th visited Prem Wonderland, while classes 6 to 8 explored Masai Mara. The home science students of class 12 went on an educational visit to Parag factory, and in November, Class 12 also enjoyed a memorable 3-day trip to Jaipur. The journey enriched their learning and created memories to cherish. Moving on to the realm of academics now, our school continues to uphold excellence through a well-structured and meticulously planned schedule for all term tests and examinations across all levels. Equipped with advanced technical facilities, the school was entrusted with the responsibility to conduct several examinations for classes 5th and 8th as per CBSE guidelines. Through systematic execution, the examination was conducted smoothly and successfully.
Beyond academics, with commitment to holistic growth and meaningful engagement, our school organized a series of enriching programs for parents, teachers, and students. A workshop on stress management and a seminar on innovative teaching methods were conducted to enhance the professional excellence of our teachers. Students of classes 6 to 11 attended an insightful session on empowering youth, understanding adolescence by Sister Maria Rose Paul, a gynecologist, and all the students participated in fire safety awareness program hosted by district administration. Further, an inspiring motivational session for senior classes and an orientation program for classes 6 to 12 were conducted by our Honorable Sister Principal, guiding students towards success and confidence while fostering a strong school-parent partnership. To take care of the well-being of students, our school organized several health initiatives, including an oral hygiene awareness program, a vaccination drive for classes 5th and 10th, and a revolving day for all students, a dyslexia awareness program, and communicable disease control campaign were also conducted in collaboration with district administration. Additionally, a special health awareness program was conducted for 250 rickshaw pullers with charitable contribution, reflecting our commitment to community welfare and social responsibility.
In addition to these initiatives, the school schedule is thoughtfully designed with a variety of creative competitions throughout the year. Students across all grades enthusiastically participated in a diverse range of contests. The youngest learners of kindergarten confidently stepped onto the stage for the fancy dress competition, while classes 1st and 2nd showcased their charm in dress to impress and reels to real. Our primary students displayed their skills and creativity through market masters and tapping into tradition. Middle section artists presented a role play titled Unleash Your Imagination and represented Indian states in Spectrum of Heritage. High school students took part in on-the-spot showdown and tradition in motion, while senior students found a bold platform through the Battle of Words, a debate competition, and One Soul, One Stage, a role-play show. The festive spirit was further enhanced with a melodious carol singing competition, bringing junior to seniors together in celebration and harmony. The winners of all competitions were proudly felicitated and rewarded by the school. Proficiency and full attendance awards were also given to the deserving students, honoring their sincerity, their dedication, and consistent effort throughout the year. After celebrating our school's co-curricular ventures, we now turn to inter-school achievements. This year was truly remarkable, with the shower of honors and awards, bringing laurels to our beloved institution. At the district level yoga competition held in April, Stuti Kesarvani of class 10 secured first position in the artistic Yogasana and second position in traditional Yogasana, recording a proud and inspiring achievement for the school. Meenakshi Saini and Alina Khan of class 12 won their consolation prize in the GK competition by the Youngstar Club, Rampur. In the month of May, at the Open Inter-School Taekwondo Championship by Taekwondo Academy in Muradabad, Myra Goel of class 5th won a gold medal in the final round, bringing honor to the school. Afi Atif of class 3rd secured silver medal and Anjali Rastogi of class 4th won a bronze medal in the first round of the competition.
Our school celebrated remarkable district level success in the Hindustan Olympiad organized by the Hindustan Times. 3 students from class 11 and 12 secured first position with the cash award of Rs 3,100 each. 4 achieved second position with Rs 2,100 each. and 2 achieved third position with rupees 1100 each, along with the gold medals, bringing great pride to our institution. Our school marked proud success in an online questionnaire held in the memory of 300th birth anniversary of Ahilyabai Holkar. Musfira Khan secured first position with a cash reward of rupees 1500. Khushi Divakar of class 9th won second place with rupees 1000 and Aradhya Tandon of class 8th secured third position with rupees 500. On the occasion of Yoga Day celebrated grandly by Raza Library Rampur, our school team secured second position in the Yoga Quiz competition, while Kanishka Chauhan of class 12 secured third position in the essay writing competition held at the district level.
In July, in the Sanskrit Pratibha Coach competition organized by Sanskrit Sansthan Lucknow, Adya Gupta of class 8 secured first position with a cash prize of rupees 800 and Sarika of class 8 received a consolation prize for participation in the Sanskrit General competition. In Sanskrit song competition, Trisha Jha of class 7 secured first position with a cash prize of rupees 800 and Palak Bhatia of class 7 secured second position with a cash prize of rupees 700, bringing pride to our school. Adya Gupta also received an opportunity to participate in the Sanskrit GK contest at the state level. Further, a pan-India online debate competition organized by Miranda House Delhi University witnessed the outstanding participation of 10 students of our school. Kanishka Chauhan and Falak Nas of class 12 earned a special mention award for their exceptional speaking skills. Continuing the streak of excellence, our school's under-19 hockey team secured third position in the CBSE North Zone Hockey Tournament 2025 held from 26 to 28 July at Smart Indian Model School Rampur, competing among 16 strong teams. Our young footballers displayed remarkable sportsmanship by securing third position in the CBSE North Zone Football Tournament held from 25 to 28 July at Amity International School, Bagpat.
17 students enthusiastically participated in the Vedic Havat Mantra competition held in August at Pattigola, Rampur, confidently reciting Vedic mantras and earning a consolation prize, reflecting the school's commitment to cultural and spiritual values. An inter-school competition organized by the Association of Catholic Education Institutions of UP and UK witnessed participation from nearly 300 schools. Abir of class 12 stood first and Adiba Mukhtar of class 11 secured second position in the essay writing competition. Meher Johari of class 7 secured first position and Ariza of class 6 secured second position in the painting competition. Khubir Singh of class 4 secured first position and Vaishnavi Bharadwaj of class 3rd secured second position in the sub-junior category of the painting competition. Their remarkable success has added another glorious chapter to the achievement records of our school. In November, our students showcased a true team spirit at the Inter-School Sports Meet organized by the province of St. Anne's, Northern India. The under-19 football team secured first position, while the under-19 basketball team and the under-14 relay race team secured second position. In the individual long jump events, 6 students secured first, second and third positions in the under-14, 16 and 19-inch groups. Impact College of Science and Technology hosted a lively quiz competition highlighting students' knowledge and quick thinking. The first position winners from class 12 were Anurag Shakil from Science Stream, Humada Zubair from Commerce, and Dua Kamran from Humanities. Students also secured second and third positions in each stream.
On the occasion of Sardar Patel Jayanti, many competitions were organized at Government Zulfikar Inter College in November, where students from several schools across Rampur participated. Araira Khan and Mubashara Khan of class 8 won first prize in debate, Garima Saini secured first in essay writing, and Rida Hussain achieved first in poster making competition, bringing remarkable success to the school. Our students shone brightly at the Asian Talent Hunt. The Punjabi dance group won first prize in the senior category, receiving 2100 rupees along with gold medals for participants and a trophy for school. The classical dance group secured third prize, while another group was honored as second runner-up with an appreciation trophy. in individual events. Hikma Parvez of class 12 achieved second runner-up in solo singing and Niharika Singh of class 9 won third prize in solo dance. On National Voters Day, Tehsil level competitions were held to promote the importance of voting. Zaima Khan of class 11 won first prize in speech competition, while Arushi Chandra of class 10 secured second position in Mehndi competition. Talking about next, Zainab Aziz of class 4 secured first position at SIMS Mindspark 3.0 Mathematics Camp held at Smart Indian Model School, Rampur, showcasing her exceptional mathematical skills. Our students also excelled in various Olympiads, adding glory to the institution. 9 students from classes 1st to 10 won gold medals at the General Knowledge Olympiad. In SOF Commerce Olympiad, Adya Nautyal of class 12 secured first, Anisa Wasim second, and Humada Zubair secured third position, winning gold medals and certificates. Further, in SOF International English Olympiads, alongside several gold medal awardees, Adya Nautyal of class 12 and Alaira Khan of class 8 won the prestigious gold medal of distinction at the zonal level, making the school proud.
Adding to these accomplishments, in the International Hindi Olympiad, 102 students from classes 1st to 12 participated enthusiastically, winning 25 gold, 11 silver and 6 bronze medals, setting a new record for the school. Among these achievers, Sayyida Fatma Zehra of class 9 stood tall at the international level, proudly receiving a prestigious award from the Honorable Education Minister for securing 4th position in the International Hindi Olympiad, Amrit Kumbh Hindi Samman 2025. She added a truly remarkable achievement to the school's records. While our students continue to scale new heights of excellence, our esteemed teachers have also added glorious chapters to our school's success story. The province of St. Anne's, Northern India, organized a carol singing competition for teachers in the festive month of December, where a melodious group of our teachers proudly secured first position, making the occasion a memorable achievement for our institution. Moving to the next achievement of teachers now, the World Hindi Council organized a Mother Tongue Teachers Felicitation Ceremony, where our Honorable Senior Hindi teachers, Mrs. Mamta Saxena and Mrs. Kalpana Sharma, were honored with the Hindi Bhushan Award for their valuable contribution to the Hindi language. Another Hindi teacher, Mrs. Reena Gupta, was honored as a great poetess in a poetic event organized by Brandness Studio in Bareilly, adding pride to the school teaching fraternity. Further, in an offline district level workshop held at DMA Rampur, our talented teacher, Ms. Komal Preet Kaur, represented the school and presented case papers on innovative practices for STEM education. She secured first position at the district level, making the school immensely proud.
This year, like past years, our achievements have strengthened our school's rich legacy and pride. With such determination and unity, we continue to move forward on the path of excellence, setting higher benchmarks with each passing year. With heart full of gratitude and hope, we bow in thankfulness for the countless blessings that have guided our journey so far. May the Almighty continue to light our way and bless our efforts with wisdom and strength. May Mother Mary stretch her gentle arms on us, protecting and supporting us through every joy and every challenge, guiding our school family with love and grace. With faith in God as our foundation and perseverance as our path, no height is beyond our reach. Thank you.